Let's talk about getting checked after you've had someone in your family pass away. You're in a grieving state.
What do you mean by that?
Especially, people who are parents, okay, and they've lost somebody, and they have other people they need to take care of. It's so vitally important to make sure you come and get checked. Because your nervous system is in a state of chaos. Make sure you're clear because it'll help you in the decision-making process as you live your life. Because right now, when you're in that stressed point, mental emotional stress, especially grieving, affects how we think, how we process things, how we live our life. So the more we can help you balance out, the greater you can help other people that you're still responsible for.
You seem like a nice guy. You seem like your heart's in the right place. I want to address some of the comments that you make. Depression and grief are not the same thing. Grief is normal. Grief is not due to a chaotic nervous system that needs to be adjusted. None of that. Grief is normal. It is the expected psychological response to losing a loved one. And as grief is part of the healing process to then figure out what a life without that loved one looks like, no amount of spinal adjustments changes the memories of that loved one. It doesn't change that emotional response and the emotional attachment we have with said memories. And by likening grief to a spinal problem gives the impression that this is a marketing tactic to then prey on those people. And I pray that that's not how you meant to send this message. And if you are grieving, talk to your friends, your family, your spiritual leaders, your mentors, and importantly, professionals. The whole point of everybody that's within their scope, whether it is a chiropractor or a family medicine physician, is that there are people that are specifically for their scope of practice. And that includes therapists and psychiatrists that are there to help people through these processes that we call grief, among others. Don't get scammed. Take back your health.